Alright, this video is just going to go over another one of my plugins, part of a plugin pack you can get off the link in the description. It's all open source and at Google Code. So anyhow, we go over here. This is going to be the RadarChat plugin. So it's very simple. Just going over the GUI real quick. We have enable, we have a channel, and we have a separator. So you can see enable's on, the channel is 0, and the separator is a comma. And you can also see just in the debug, it shows just a list of all the UUIDs in the sim. It's everybody, no matter what height they're at or anything like that. So this can be used and combined with llGetObjectDetails to make the fastest radar ever really known to Second Life so far. This is because it doesn't use any sensors, no probes, no megaprims, nothing like that. It's just instance. All you have to do is just get their position from that one function and you're good to go. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate it right now. Right now we have it set on channel 0. It also responds to a trigger from a sound. So if I press this button, that'll trigger it. You'll see my avatar speaks. It speaks an identification session key, followed by a comma. Then it speaks a 6, which is the number of keys to follow. And then it'll show the UUIDs of the 6 people in the sim with me. And so you just have a program or a script that will interpret that, and you're basically, that's all there is to it. So I have an example script right here. It's set to listen on -90. So I would just change it in the channel to speak over here. But basically, it just adds the keys to the list and then displays it. So that's very simple. Now, I normally pass out a note card with my plugins, which has objects and demo scripts, including that script so you can see the API, and also a radar that I've already made. Now, this one over here is set to a negative channel, which can be done, so you just type it in. This one happens to be 777, 777, 777. Negative, like that. And so, if you click the button, you'll see immediately it gets a list of all the people in the sim and lists them right there, as well as an arrow as far as which direction they are. You can see the arrow turn as I turn, saying they are in that direction from me, dead in front of me now, as you see the arrows pointing up. So anyhow, this is all open source. Just give me an instant message if you don't have it yet, and you can see how you can expand your radar to be able to use this function if somebody has it. This can expand it to be the fastest and the longest range, as this will go even up to 2 million meters into the air. If you also look over in the corner, I have Henstreeter's HUD. He's already put this into his. So we'll just go over to settings. Actually, I'm going to type it in over here. We'll just type it in radar mode. And you can see over here, his is already set up to use the plugins, and it can easily show everybody very quickly. You can click on someone's name and then choose to either attack or use a tool on them, etc. There's also another feature about this, other than listing the keys in the sim for radar. There's also an admin page that I've added on, which can also, it immediately converts them to names for you, so you can see who's with the sim with you. Now there's no lag involved with this at all, so if you're in a very, if let's say you're the admin of a very busy sim, then you can immediately click on a person who's causing trouble, get their UUID, and immediately either eject, ban, kick, freeze, TP home, or even send a long-range message to them. So that can be used quickly to access those features as well. Alright, that's about all there is for this plugin. Check out my other videos for the other ones.